Nĩ wabici-inĩ nene cia kambuni ya ũtambia wa MAAI gũkũ Nairobi kũrĩa kũrokire gĩthagathago thutha wa mũrũgamĩrĩri mũnene wa kambuni ĩno Injinia NAHASHON MUGUNA gũtiga wĩra hi na hi. Nĩ ndeto aruti wĩra a kambuni ĩno mamũkĩrire na ũtiganu kuona nĩ kũrĩ mekũnyitaga ikinya rĩu mbaru na angĩ makĩregana na gũtiga wĩra kwa Injinia MUGUNA.
We have seen frustration of Engineer MUGUNA. Being frustrated left, right and center. He has never had peace in this organization. I'm a frustrated despite the skills and the professionalism that he has tried his level best to maintain. Leo asubuhi tumesikia kwamba resign because of the frustrations from City Hall. Yes. We are not happy as workers because now what is the future for this organization? What is the future of the workers?
Aruti wĩra aya makĩorota ũtongoria wa thirikari ya kaunti ya Nairobi makiuga nĩ ikoretwo ĩkĩingĩrĩra mĩrutĩre ya wĩra kambuni-inĩ ĩno kuona ĩrendaga kweheria Injinia MUGUNA mekĩre mũndũ ũrĩa marenda ĩkĩnyitanĩra na bodi ĩrĩa ĩrũgamĩrĩire kambuni ĩno.
Mtu wa IT afai kukua MD wa hii organization. Yes. But Sakaja and his people are pushing to have their own. Sisi mambo ya puppet kutoka City Hall tumekata. We want the relevant authorities to come and investigate. Yes. All these board members are corrupt. Yes. Some are even having plans ya kutaka kukua MD katika kampuni.
We demand this position to be advertised. Meanwhile, we address the Minister of Water to second an individual from the Ministry of Water to come here and stay us throughout this transition as we await competitively this position to be occupied. We will continue to render our services without any personal interest.
Aruti wĩra aya nĩ maugĩte bodi ĩno yagĩrĩire kũbunjwo na ĩngĩthurwo gũtabania mĩhang'o ya gwetha mũrũgamĩrĩri wa kambuni ĩno.
We have a right to fair labor practices. We have a right to fair remuneration. We cannot sit down and see a deregistered outfit being pushed to the workers of Nairobi Water by the board of this company. The board must go. And the board are demanding themselves to sign a recognition agreement. AIPU. Previously, there has never been a recognition agreement signed by the board.
Yes.
Never. They are overstepping their mandate. Yes. They are not adding value to this organization.
Gerifuatera Kameme TV ni njĩtagwo Wangui wa Mũirũrĩ.